Hello everybody. Let me close this down, this attachment. It is it is a little humid. Just slightly humid, you know. Slightly humid. Still, it's a beautiful day. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I left my turn signal on the whole time. Slightly humid. Actually, this morning it was raining also. I mean, that's one thing too. I hate to say this, I really do, but I really do like these ADV helmets because you got kind of a beak of a visor going out, and it helps keep the rain off your glasses. If you wear glasses, it helps a little bit. Up there. Get over on your own side a little bit, thank you. So I had to take a little bit different route since they got the roads all messed up. I mean, they're really messed up there. Oops. Mail truck. Mail truck. How do you know it's a mail truck? It might be a female truck. We don't know. I think it's a mail truck. I think it's a male truck. Not female. It says yes. It says male on it somewhere, I think. Mail truck. Okay, what are we talking about today? I have no idea. I didn't have a thing planned for today. I'm sorry. I apologize. I don't know. But anyway, more stop signs. The crop is doing beautiful this year. Look at the stop signs. They're growing nice and tall and red this year. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, move along. What an uneventful freaking day. At least you gotta get a ride in. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I don't really truly mind the rain rides. I think this is the first Tuesday rain ride of 2018. Don't know if you can hear me very well because I mean I got some wind coming through me, but it's nice. It really is nice. Don't mind it much. It's yellow, mellow yellow. Come on, come on, come on. But it's supposed to do this for a few days, and we'll go ahead and get warmed up and dried up again. Come on, mellow yellow. me having my rain jacket on, even though it says Harley, you know, I don't care. I'm not too particular, and I'm not having one bit of trouble seeing. I mean, it's just drizzling, like, you know, a little bit more than drizzling. You know, with that rain axe on my visor, it works really nice. I mean, before I had to get a little bit higher speeds to get it to shear off. Well, with the rain axe, no, it's not at all. You can see pretty darn good the way it is. Let's go ahead and pull on it. This is MuzzleMike, hoping you all have a great day. Signing out.